Today we will show you how to assemble a Zio Ciro wood burning oven. First of all, double-check that you have all the elements of the kit as per the checklist. Decide which is the base where you want to place and assemble your Zio Ciro oven. The base will have to be strong enough to support the weight of the oven, and it will have to be far from humidity and other adverse weather conditions. Today we will use a metallic structure. Cover the base of the oven with ordinary tin foil. Place a layer of lower insulation with a hard insulating board made of ceramic fiber, which we will have previously cut as per the oven dimensions. Take the bucket of refractory plastic cement and blend it. Take the oven floor elements and apply on them the refractory plastic cement, assembling them together above the insulating layer. Take the oven dome elements and place them around the oven floor, making them match together.
Facendo combaciare I vari incastri che hanno tra loro.
Now we fill up the gaps between the elements of the dome with the refractory plastic cement, only from the outside.
Tra I vari elementi della cupola.
Place the elements of the arch kit, starting with the side ones, and, after applying a small amount of refractory cement, place them in the front part of the mouth of the oven. Now we make the upper insulation of the oven. Unroll the blanket of ceramic fiber and, after having cut it in the required dimensions, put it over the dome of the oven to cover it all. Cover it all with ordinary tin foil in order to protect the insulating layer of ceramic fiber. We will place a metallic wire over the dome. This will act as a brace of the plasterwork of the finishing touches. It is better to use a chicken wire as it is softer than a normal metallic wire, therefore we can shape it as we like. Blend the plaster with water to make the mixture to complete the finishing touches of the oven. Apply a layer of plaster evenly over the dome. In order to get a better look, smooth the plaster with a water-soaked sponge as soon as it is beginning to harden. Place the stainless steel tube and seal it as per instructions. This is only a type of external finishing we use for our assembly. Well, we could also paint the plasterwork with other colors and shades according to the furniture. Alternatively, externally plate the oven, cover it with bricks or other types of stones, or even mosaic it. Before using the Zio Ciro oven, wait 2 or 3 days in order to let it dry off naturally. After 2 or 3 days, start making the fire. It is advisable to light the fire elsewhere and then cover the oven floor with the embers once the flame has died out. This creates the required temperature inside the oven without a violent flame, and therefore avoids causing damage to the part where any flame would be in contact, without creating a homogeneous heat. If you cannot make the fire elsewhere, another option is to put a heater inside the oven every other couple of hours to create the required temperature. Depending on where you will place your Zio Ciro with burning oven, it is fundamental that it is protected from humidity, water and the elements. Therefore, if it is outside, it is essential to cover your oven with the right sealing. It should take about 4 hours to complete assembling our Zio Ciro with burning oven. Have fun and enjoy your cooking with the Zio Ciro with burning oven.